Exploring different types of water heaters, Tempe, Arizona. If you're considering replacing your existing water heater, you'll want to know about the different types. It's important to pick the right one for your home and the amount of hot water you use. Knowing this information can help you get the most out of your investment. For starters, you'll need to choose between a tank or a tankless unit. Tanks are typically the most common type, though there are other options as well. A tank can hold anywhere from 30 to 80 gallons of water. They're usually made of steel or aluminum, and come in both standard and compact models. These heaters require a lot of space, though. Another popular option is a hybrid. These systems combine a gas or electric heater with a heat pump system. Although they do require some additional installation, they are also more energy efficient. To pick the best one for your home, consider the size of the tank, the type of fuel it uses, and the amount of hot water you need. This will help you determine whether or not the unit you're considering is worth the extra expense. Most water heaters use electricity, but you can also choose from natural gas, a more environmentally friendly option. Gas has a higher upfront cost, but is cheaper to run in the long run. You can also consider investing in a solar water heater. In some areas of the US, you can also opt for fuel oil. The best energy-efficient water heaters are the ones that can be used in conjunction with other appliances in your home. By doing this, you can save a significant amount of money on your utility bill. Choosing the best water heater for your needs is a complicated decision. Depending on your needs, you'll have to decide between tank, tankless, or a hybrid model. Each will have its own features and benefits, so do your research before making a purchase. Some of the more popular brands on the market today include Rheem, Bosch, and Takagi. Buying a new water heater is a major investment, so you should be sure you choose the right model. If you're not sure about your water heater selection, contact a heating and cooling expert in your area. Your local dealer may be able to give you some suggestions. The other big item to consider when buying a new water heater is its energy efficiency. Water heating is a relatively large portion of your overall energy usage. However, you can find energy-efficient units that will reduce your utility costs by at least 25%. While a new water heater isn't the cheapest purchase you'll make, the savings can be substantial. Purchasing an energy-efficient unit can pay for itself in less than 5 years. But you'll want to compare the cost of operating your current unit with the cost of a new one before you buy. Finally, don't forget to check the energy factor (EF) label. It's a useful guide to a unit's overall efficiency, and it's worth looking into.